What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. So many of you guys have been telling me that the Santa Clarita clearance store has had tons and tons of steals, tons of dope stuff too, tons of heat. Let's go check it out. I haven't been here. And I'm doing a bunch of Christmas shopping for family members as well. So yeah, let's go. Of course, the first thing you do when you get here, you check to see if they have a heat cart, and they do. Nothing crazy though. Jordan 6s, Jordan 12 Golf, Vapor Max, nothing too crazy. All right, we're gonna keep an eye on that. Starting in the 9.5s today. One of the kids I'm shopping for, one of the nephews, he's looking for some Blazer mids. We've seen plenty of Blazers here. Curious to see what those LeBrons are going for. $100. Been seeing that at the regular outlets, and been getting an extra discount top. A few times Nike outlets cheaper. Got these Blazer courts, the canvas ones going for $35. Damn, that's cheap. I ain't really seen these Kukinis in forever, and all of a sudden I'm seeing multiple going for $60. Multiple colorways in the size 9.5. More LeBron, same size, going for $100 still. Huaraches going for $60. LeBron 9s with the carpet on it, go for $100 still. Center courts going for $60. All right, so much for finding 9.5 Blazers. Don't really see any. Let's check out the 1010Fs for me. We are starting to see some Kyries here. These ain't bad. Are these the lows? These are the lows, or these are the regular fitties. Going for $60. That's a pretty dope colorway. I like the fly traps, even cheaper, going for $40. Air Force One Premium Vintage. Some super heavy ones going for $70. Got a ton of LeBron's lows, highs, different sizes, $70 for the lows. Multiple highs, or multiple regular LeBron 19s go for $100. This one go for $100 as well. Wasn't exaggerating. All go for $100. All size 10. 10.5s now. Seeing these. I thought these were the Gatos, but these are the BRSBs. Okay, I don't really recognize these. Those come in that familiar SB box. Those of you guys that have been able to get some dunks. But yeah, $40 for those. I guess it's 39s for $60. I've seen a bunch of these Jordan 1s, one with the 18 pockets on them. Not a huge fan of the look of these. The Air Jordan 1 High Utility, go for $100. You got these, the Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. Do have some gum bottoms. It has been used. See, this is what I'm talking about. I talked about this in one of my prior videos. So they'll sell this for new, and then the like new in the refurbished program, some of them will be brand new. Like, it's just super inconsistent. Just have to examine the shoe. Like, this should go to the refurbished program, shouldn't it? But it just comes to the clearance center. Does that all the time, dude. They have inconsistency like that all the time. $100 for these. 11s, the Jordan 1s that we just saw, go for $100. Fly traps go for $40. Baseball cleats. I need some budget baseball cleats, go for $30. I don't know, some Alpha trainers or something. Alpha Menace. Kyries. These are going for $60. But we've seen this, I think this colorway, we've seen this for cheap at Foot Locker, right? Yeah, $40 or $60 for those. I know all of you guys are dying to see if they have Monarchs. Yes, they do. They're still $40. The Phantom React Flyknits, they've had Rise React Flyknits. These go a little bit higher. They've had a ton of these here. Like, so the boxes all being torn up. $80 for those, way too much. SB Chiron 2s. Don't really know anything about those. $35. I have been keeping an eye out on the heat card situation. They have some Jordan 1 lows right there. Those usually go for $50. Haven't really seen too much else. I've been keeping an eye all the way from the size 10.5. 11 sections. In the size 11.5 area, see some 10.5s right here. Some all white Huaraches, if that's what you're into. $60 for those. And like I said, I've been keeping track. You could see, or I could see at least, I don't know, y'all eyesight. Yeah, it's blurry as hell. Okay, there you go. You could see. I've just been seeing if they've been restocking or not. All right, on to the size 12s. Zoom Fly 4s go for $80. Haven't seen any of the Alpha Fly Next Percent that I was hoping to see, to be honest. Do got the GTS 97s right here, all canvas version, going for 35. Waffle debuts going for 40. Got the Pegasus Turbo NX Nature's going for $70. That's the cheapest we've seen those. If you need some running shoes, I was like, they kind of look like the zebras from afar, dude. I was like, what the hell? Obviously, I was talking about the Yeezy Zebras. Do got the Alpha Flies in the size 13 right here. Go for $100. These normally cost $275. The Alpha Fly NX% Flyknit 2s are out now, so these are so a little bit older, I guess. Never seen this. Have I seen this? Oh, the Flyknit Racers go for $80. We're on the size 13s now. I did check to see if they have my size in these in the app. Don't have my size these or the Volt ones. They have 9.5, and then they have like 11s on both. Dope. Do have quite a lot of running shoes. The Zoom Streaks. Oh, I'm sorry. The Zoom X Streak Flies go for $80. I'm trying to see what the difference between this and the Zoom Flies. Oh, the Zoom Flies have React. This has Zoom X. Oh, okay. Jesus sandals, the size 13. The Schultz going for 40. Or the Kyrie's going for 60. More of these center courts going for 60 as well. More of these LeBrons. I just saw one of the workers bring out more of the center courts in different colors. The Air Force Ones. So Air Force One. Nike by you. Go for 70. This is size 14. Size 15. Dude, still got these. I haven't seen these in forever. Kyrie 6 is going for $30. AD 14 size 14 go for 70. I said for the Bigfoot gang, if you guys need basketball sneakers, it's a place to go. 14.5. You also get half sizes on all the crazy huge sizes. Go for 80. I know plenty of you guys have never seen 14.5s. Got another one go for 60. I just saw them. I just followed one of the workers who just did a restock. Air Max 95s. Air Max 95s going for $80. Holy crap, that's a freaking deal. Feeling one of the resellers will pick that up. Bruin Reacts go for 40. Guess we're gonna check out the size 8.5s. Kyrie's go for 60. I was following one of the workers to see what they put down. So one of the resellers, seen her here a bunch of times. Infinity React Flyknit 2's going for $80. Go Fly Ease going for 60. There's tons of LeBrons, like I said, go for $100. Even these, more Kyrie's, tons of Kyrie's, tons of LeBrons. That's what we're seeing here. Size 9, we're pretty much seeing the exact same stuff. So size 8.5s. Not really seeing anything out the ordinary. Seen these here quite a lot. The Flyposite 2s, they've been going for $100, but more of the LeBrons, Waffle Racers. Nothing that really sticks out. Do got tons of socks. This is something that I haven't really seen here lately. Got Jordan brand socks as well. Got the ankle socks and then the no-show socks. These are the ones I wear. These are like hella thin though. But yeah, these are normally like, I don't know, $20, and they're going for $10. Got multiple. Those are the kid size right there. Do they have men's? No, these are all kid size. What the heck? Kid sizes for the black as well. The men's size for the Nike ones. This is the Everyday Plus, not just the regular Everyday ones, Everyday Plus. These are normally, I think, 22, and they're going for $15. They don't even put the price tags on these anymore, huh? I believe these have always been $22. 20 or 22, but they're on sale, so not too bad. On the other side, they do have women's Everyday socks right here. Not the Everyday Plus, but the regular Everyday. The more socks here, so there's the Everyday, Everyday Plus, Everyday Plus. They are both dry fit. They're both dry fit. These are a little bit thicker. Yeah, they're noticeably thicker. Oh wow. Okay. I guess I need to get the Everyday Plus because they are way thicker. 3-pack right here go for $10. Normally $18. Okay. All right, time to check out the apparel. Good looking out to homie Rob. We were talking for like 30 minutes. One of the viewers, talked to him for quite some time. Yeah, we're shopping up all kinds of stuff about sneaker content, or just sneakers in general, how to cop, all that stuff. And then while I was talking to him, I saw one of the workers bring this out. I was like, hey, let me take that. Let me take this Travis Kelce jersey. And it's a salute to service one. These are, in my opinion, they're like the dopest ones. 60 freaking dollars. These go for 160, 170. I forgot the exact amount. I called one of my family members. Yeah, I got a cousin who is a Chiefs fan. This is a medium though. He don't wear medium, but I messaged him to see if any of his family wears medium because $60, $100 off. Like I said, this is a salute to service. This is sick. This is sick. Then have been checking, have been keeping out of the heat guard. Nothing new. So yeah, let's check out the apparel section right here. What the hell is this? What do you do, Nike? Like who wants to wear fleece like this, bro? Seriously? Like really? Is there gonna be a demand? And who's gonna pay $70? $7. These are going for $25. The larges right here, these are going for $25 as well. Like that makes a lot more sense. Even in blue, like who wants all these cartoon things, bro? Seriously, that's an XL, 25. All these XL right here, double XL right here. They got some small and mediums, I guess. And then they got blank jerseys. Like I never understood what this is for. Are you supposed to put your own name on there and stuff? Like I don't really understand. Is this for customizing? Is that what these are for? These all go for $40 a piece. I guess you're supposed to customize. I guess for the Raiders, they got the white, they got the black, and then they got the Rams one. Just stopped one of the workers. I was like, hey, let me get this too. So yeah, I got family friends that do support the Browns. This is a large, kind of like a pullover. This is what, $40. It is an on-field shirt or whatever. But yeah, no, $30. Oh, I said 40. $30 for these. Let's see. I already sent my people a text, see if one of the kids could wear a large. Then I do see jerseys. What's up with these jerseys? It's another blank jersey. What the hell? $40 for a swingman blank. It's a large. See Lakers jerseys too. Davis jerseys. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was 3. So the LeBron James 6 jerseys going for $40. This is got a small, double XL, triple XL. All right, so not the most demanding sizes. So triple XL and then small in between there. Then got a blank Suns jersey going for $50. Got him an extra small as well. The LeBron jerseys small. Oh, I saw Davis. I did see a Davis in here. Got a couple of Lakers jerseys right here in small. Also got him in mediums. Yeah, man. $40 for LeBron jerseys. I think for the LeBron jerseys, I only have the Mamba one, the black one. That's the only one I really want. I don't want all these other ones. Got a blank San Antonio small jersey. Got the Vince Carter ray gun jerseys. They got those large going for $40. I think that's about it. Jordan jersey right here. It's kind of a blank generic jersey going for $25. XL. I found a LeBron jersey right here. Swingman only 110 down to 40. That's it for the jerseys. No larges. Checking more apparel. Do you see these? Still the Kenya, right? The Kenya running jackets go for $49.99. The official team jacket. Those are pretty dope. These are all smalls, right? They're all smalls. Yep. Nike hood. That didn't work. Nike hoodies going for $25. This is small. More smalls going for $40. That's nice and soft. I think we're in the medium. They got a poofy ThermaFit vest. Don't know the price. I don't know why people wear vests either too, though. Keeps like the core warm, but your arms are freezing. I never understood that. Double XL hoodie right here going for $25. Jordan fleece jacket that's on the floor going for $30. It matches that. Got that little emblem right there. Okay. Medium hoodie. This is the one that's going for $25. Super soft. We got a Rams jacket. Kind of looking a little weird. It is an Aero Shield jacket, so kind of like a windbreaker. The price, I think the price is on the bottom right here. For $80, it is a large. Okay. Small This looks like a tech. This is tech fleece. Oh, it's dry fit. $30 for this. It is a Spurs jacket. Oh, it's really thin. It's hella thin. That's pretty much about it with the outerwear. Got the sheepskin one, not really, but it feels like a double XL. $110 down to 40. Color's a little off. All right, I'm putting this back. My text message is just tripping right now. My text message is not going through at all. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna get this one. Haven't even heard back from this family member though, so I don't know. We'll see. I've always found backpacks here, man. I have not been finding any backpacks lately, and I might just stop searching for this kiddo. Man, too much of a pain. So 60 plus tax, so 66 bucks something. Is that a good thumbnail? Now I like this one better. Let's go with this. All right, cool. Got it, let's go. All right, guys, this wasn't a crazy Black Friday sale or Black Friday weekend or whatever here at this store, but this store is always so cheap anyways. It's always so cheap. It's kind of like a cheat code. You're gonna have some empty trips if you come here a lot. You're gonna have a ton of empty trips, but you're also gonna have some crazy finds. This was pretty freaking dope. It is for a family member. If they don't, it's not anybody particular size. So if they don't know anybody or one of the family members don't wear medium, I'll wear it, dude. I'll wear it. Kelsey's been killing it for my fantasy league. That fool's like the #1 tight end I have right now, and he might help me win the championship this year. First time I've ever gotten even close to winning the championship, because I don't think I watch enough football. I just don't. It is what it is. Don't have time, man. I'm always out and about doing stuff, man. I got like 8 jobs, you know. You can find some crazy steals. They didn't have much in the heat cart today. They weren't restocking it, probably because it was packed as hell. Like you know, bringing sneakers up from the back to the front, especially when there's huge crowds, it's kind of a pain. So they probably don't like to do that. That's just kind of what I think. I don't blame them. That's kind of how I would operate things. But we'll see. But so who knows? But still crazy deals. I'm gonna have to come back midweek. This week, see if they got anything. Maybe I might include it on this one. Maybe I might make a separate. I don't know, but we'll see. Yeah, I got plenty coming, you guys. Good luck on your Christmas shopping or whatever the hell you guys got to do. Shopping for yourself, whatever. But good luck on those ventures. I'm gonna be out and about, and we'll see. Y'all got plenty of videos coming. So yeah, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And y'all, we'll see you guys soon. Yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. All right, let's see what they got. Dude got these Anthony Davis jerseys. These are a small swingman, go for 40. Also got LeBron, $40 for these. Also got him in medium. Normally goes for $110. Okay. Also got them in small and double XL. These are the LeBron jerseys. Not really much going on the heat wall today, or the heat card. Did find this though. Travis Kelce on field jersey. This is a salute to service. Hella dope. Look at that price tag. Normally $160 or $170, one of those. $100 off, dude. $100 off.